What's going on, guys? It is Saturday and we're here again back at Tyler's shop. So why are we here this time? Well, Brian, who has the quad tip 5.0, is getting a little bit of work done to his car. He's putting new mufflers on it. We're gonna make it loud and it's gonna sound great. So let's go check it out. All right, let's see the goodies. Hell yeah. This is a Ford Racing X-Pipe?
Yeah.
Sick, dude.
And shall we chop up today?
So it's a 2.5-inch Ford Racing X-Pipe, and then we're gonna pair it with dual Magnapacks. And you're gonna be loud, sir.
Finally.
Okay guys, this is Brian's current exhaust setup again. It is a Bassani Cat-Back with custom quad tips. We're going to be cutting out the center muffler. It is a resonator and X-pipe and muffler all in one, I believe. So we're going to be replacing it with this Ford Racing X-pipe.
It goes right into those clamps and then welds right to those pipes on the back. Yeah, and I figure somewhere around here we're going to do the next.
Out with the old, in with the new. Brian, what do you think it's gonna sound like?
Great.
It's a perfect install, guys. Like, it's absolutely beautiful. Let's go check it out. Moment of truth. Dude, it sounds sick from the rear.
Woohoo! You're going to rev it for me.
Nice and bright. It's perfect.
Rev it for me. Quiet.
It's right on the hit, right on the pedal hit. It's a lot brighter. Oh, we got some competition with the CTSV. All right, interior revs. Like it?
Oh yes. Oh yes.
Whenever he starts, he can't stop.
There you go.
Little snow.
All right, one more. One more for the camera. You ready?
Come on, dude.
You gotta turn around anyways.
You're having fun.
You have to turn around.
These tires, man.
You have to do a turnaround.
You have to